Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to discuss simple past tense. The learning outcomes are that students will be able to use past tense in their writing and speaking. Let's talk about definition and uses of simple past tense. Simple past tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. See, when we say before now, we mean that it is not in the present. Now indicates the present, and before now means past. So something that was in past but we don't have it right now with us. Second point is, it is used to show that you are talking about something that has already happened. So that means that something has already happened and it is not happening now. It is gone. Third point is, action is finished. That means there was some action and it's been completed now and we are not doing it anymore in the present. The last point we have is past habits and generalization. When we say past habit and generalization, we talk about such actions that we used to do but we don't do them now. For example, I used to walk to school every day. When I say I used to, that means I don't do it now, right? Here we have formula how to structure simple past sentence. So it's very easy. In positive or assertive types of sentences, we write subject, then second form of verb, and then object. Second form of verb is past tense. For example, if we have the verb see, the second form is saw. So we'll use saw in the sentence. Interrogative sentence, we write did, then subject, then first form of verb and object. The rule is, whenever you are writing did in your sentence, you don't have to write second form of verb, because did is already indicating that sentence is in simple past tense. So we don't have to write two things in a sentence to tell that sentence is in simple past tense. Negative sentences, we just write did not and then followed by first form of verb. Here we have some examples. She liked tea. Interrogative sentence, did she like tea? Negative sentence, she did not like tea. Now pause the video here for a minute or two and observe these sentences. In first sentence, we have used second form of verb. In second and third sentence, we have used did and we are writing first form of verb. When we are writing did, as I have already told, we do not write second form again, because did is already telling us that sentence is in past tense. In second example, we have we bought a football. Did we buy a football? We did not buy a football. So again in this sentence we have second form of verb, that is bought, and in interrogative and negative type we are writing did and we are writing first form of verb, that is buy. See students, to learn simple past tense, it is very important to know regular and irregular verb forms. Irregular verbs are those verbs that have special past tense forms. They do not end with d or ed. We need to learn some spellings and some different forms. For example, drive, drove, driven, write, wrote, written, freeze, froze, frozen. You see that all three spellings are different and all three are different in their pronunciation. While in regular verbs, the past tense of regular verb ends with d or ed. For example, cook, cooked, cooked, play, played, played, look, looked, looked. So we are adding ed or e to form past tense of these regular verbs. It is very important to know the difference between irregular and regular verb, because in past tense we write past we write second form of verb, so it's very important to know how to form second form. I want you to take out a list from the internet and learn irregular and regular verb list, and I'll also attach a list with it, and follow the exercises. I'll see you in next video. Take care.